Okay, I just added 1.5 cups of milk and my box of instant vanilla pudding, the 3-ounce box. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up with my hand mixer. Okay, and once that's mixed up, I have 100% pure pumpkin, and I'm going to add about half of this can. We're making a wonderfully easy and tasty fall dessert, and that's about 1 cup of the pumpkin, and we are just gonna beat that in as well. Okay, that looks beautiful. Okay, I forgot to add some pumpkin pie spice. We absolutely need this. Just a nice amount, however much you like. And then we also need to add some pure vanilla extract, probably about a teaspoon or so. And we're just gonna mix that in since we already beat this together. Of course, you would add this before using your hand mixer. I just forgot. Okay, now we can move this to the side and bring in our 9x13 pan. I just prepared a graham cracker crust, and now I have some no-bake cheesecake filling. I absolutely love this stuff, and we are going to use the whole container. David, did I say that I had this graham cracker crust chilling in the refrigerator? I don't think I said that, did I?
I can't remember.
Oh. Okay, so I chilled this graham cracker crust in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, and I just made it using 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs and 1 stick of melted butter. And you just mix those 2 together, and then you have a beautiful graham cracker crust that you can push into the bottom of your pan. And we are just spreading out our no-bake cheesecake filling on top of our graham cracker crust. Okay, and once you get it all spread out like that, it is time to bring back in our pumpkin filling here. And we are just going to get this evenly distributed over the top of our cheesecake. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so good. It is such a crowd pleaser, so festive. Ooh, that vanilla and that pumpkin pie spice smells amazing. Wish you guys could smell this. There's a little bit there that I want. All right, we got that, and we are going to spread this out as best as we can. We don't really want the 2 layers like combining. We want this to be a nice pumpkin layer on top. So just make sure you're patient with this, and it doesn't have to be perfect. And once you have all that spread out, we have here the extra creamy Cool Whip. 8 ounces of it. And we're gonna go in right on top of our delicious pumpkin filling with this yummy Cool Whip. You can make your own homemade whipped cream if you prefer, but I just love the ease and the simplicity of Cool Whip. Now, I think my pan might be a little bigger than it's like longer than a standard 9x13, so that's why it's looking like this is not gonna work out. But I am really going to stretch this, so hopefully this works out. Okay, and once you get it all flattened out, it is time to chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Okay, you guys, this is nice and chilled. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. But first we have to put some more pumpkin pie spice on the top. Just a nice gentle dusting to make the cake look pretty. You don't have to do this step, but I am all about presentation. Oh yeah, I love me a good pumpkin pie spice. All right. Oh, doesn't that look good, David? Help me out. Help me out.
That looks amazing.
Is that enough, or should I put more?
That's good.
That's good?
Yep.
Okay. Let's dig in. Ooh. Oh, you gotta cut through the crust. Remember, we got that crust in there. Ooh, look at those layers already peeking through. Oh yeah, this is exciting. I want to get all the way through. All right, let's get us a piece. Ooh, yum. Look at that. Oh, look in there, David. You can see those delicious layers. Our crust. Everything. Look at that. Oh, yeah. I gotta get a nice bite of that. Oh my goodness. You need to make this.